Gotta watch. Gosh.
This is
He has to produce who sent him. He has to produce who sent him. There are big people behind.
so you bring him. Let him go. Where the guy is? Okay, move the car.
The police are doing their job. The police are doing their job well. Yes. Now, all the ballot boxes makes a lot of sense. Yes.
Excuse me. The action is the deal like the car airport police station.
I can go ahead and do what you kill me. What is it later? What is it later? Your agents are
I'm sitting on the table.
because you are threatening me.
I'm not threatening you.
That is the implication of what you are saying. That is the implication of what you are saying.
He wasn't talking to you. He wasn't talking to you.
I said she should come and enter.
Line of action is prior to some mobile tax and break, the EC, the returning officer, not person your pronouncement be, but don't how tense the place was, or refer to BBI back on national level. That's the EC headquarters, China. So that is what near the total illegality. We'll go and then smoothing things up there, and then the status quo will be restored. I am the winner for Tema Central, and it's going to remain safe. We use pink sheets. I say 1 + 1 2. No, the account. That is how it is. And to say, the same way. Will be. The other parties also have same. Into about stability. Yes, near our highest no. Where you don't need 50% plus or no. This one is a simple majority. And to us, we had a simple majority. Except say miracle, but almost would not mess with I'm with you no, which is never going to happen. So all things being equal, China will resolve it, and then I'll be declared a victor. I mean, there are steps to remedy certain issues. First, sir, already the returning officer for Tema Central, the TMA municipality, I sure say, Yabako National EC headquarters to rectify the issue because Tema Central was so tense. First, near your Chemu school yesterday, we also saw it throwing of tear gases and what have you. And also, even police whole command, it was invaded. And that's what is going to happen. But I believe, say, once we go there, a cure will take place. Yeah, will be for you now. I will say 3 days. There's nothing like 3 days. Yes, started process, the presidential one. Or Saturday and Endra and a Pabaya 9-10 and a presidential because NDC for were asking for recount because almost tabulation no see any into parliamentary one never started and almost tax every breaking to what here and almost to 2 tear gas now the idea with the parliamentary one it was only and there my 8 o'clock but until by 11 never started so it's independent started parliamentary coalition that's a correction I want to make. And 3 days and 11 o'clock never started here but it also halted midway because to them your friend is saying Lucy, but they need to force the EC to declare in their favor at all costs. International, they move it tax from all over Ghana. Until we say we over regional police command. Sanamo, we are sure some Mugane. Papa glasses in our tent now. Namotanas and chairs, everything gone. Yes. In fact, me support about say much normal Bruno Passa. I mean, it's very hurtful because constituency a very gentle constituency. We are not used to tax any running of knives, any cutlasses and bottles. It's rather unfortunate.